So next we're going to look at how to make a quote request with a supplier. So you come over here to quotes and request quote. And then the first thing you need to do is choose the quote type, whether it's a quote for materials or if it's a quote for hire equipment, which will then bring up relevant options based on what you've chosen. So let's do materials. So the supply usually needs to know if it's a quote for a live job or a tender. If it's a live job, they can then have a look at stock and give you a idea of exactly when they can get the materials to you. And obviously, if it's a tender, they can look ahead to see if there's price increases. So we're going to choose tender, and then we'll also pick one of our pre-existing sites, which is then going to drop all the relevant information in automatically. So just like on an email, you can copy and paste the text like this, or alternatively, you can free text if you prefer. Or another option is, down here, we have the option to upload a file. So what you could do is upload a Bill of Quants or a spreadsheet with all your products on, and then just type in the materials required box, please see attached. So the next question is regarding whether the project is open specification or not. The reason we put this in here is because if the project is an open spec and you can have any manufacturer, your supplier is then able to go to all the manufacturers, tell them that effectively this project is fair game for anybody to win, and negotiate the best rates for you so that it puts you in a more competitive position on your tender also. If it's not open spec because it's, say, a BG spec, but you would like to put a value engineered option in, you do have the option to click this box here. And then finally, if the specification is fixed in some areas but open in others, you're also able to do that here. So we always recommend filling this in because it gives your supplier the tools that they need to give you the best prices. So finally, you can then go through and pick as many suppliers as you like to go out to on this particular request. And what will happen is an email will be sent to each of these suppliers individually. It's not BC or CC or anything. It will go individually through. And all you got to do then, if you've got any other information, put it in here. Otherwise, hit submit.